review. So is this the best parental control software? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review for SentryPC. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below and where you'll get special discounts right here when you are planning to subscribe for a plan right here in SentryPC. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So according to Tech Radar right here, that SentryPC has a good star rating right here. So overall, SentryPC is a professional computer monitoring software with various use cases. Maybe enterprises monitoring their staff or parents supervising their children's activities. So the software offers comprehensive monitoring features, making it one of the best in its cohort. So these are the pros and cons right here. So for the pros, it has comprehensive features, it has a free version, and it has a user-friendly interface. For the cons, it's quite expensive, but if you're going to use the link in the description below, you will get cheaper prices for the plans. It doesn't have a mobile version. It has a complex setup and installation and limited customer support. So yeah, so this is the review right here for SentryPC. Moving on, so we have the plans right here for SentryPC. So SentryPC has a lot of plans right here that you guys can see. So it has a lot of plans. So for the basic plan right here, it's single license, it manages one device. You can have 500 screenshots, store up to 500 screenshots, and it will cost you around $69.95 a year. But again, if you're going to use the link in the description below, you will get special discounted prices for these plans. Next, you have the Business 50. So this one, you'll get 50 licenses, 500 screenshots, and it will cost you around $1495 per year. Next, you have the Business 100. So you'll get 100 licenses, 1000 screenshots, and $2,495 price per year. Business 250. So in here, you'll get 250 licenses, 1000 screenshots, and it will cost you around $4,995 a year. Business 500. So you get 500 licenses, 2,000 screenshots, and $7,495 price per year. And then Business 1000, and here you'll get 1,000 licenses, 2,000 screenshots, and it will cost you around $9,995 a year. And then yeah, so those pretty much the plans right here for SentryPC. So these are the plans right here that you can get in SentryPC. So if you're going to plan to subscribe to this, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get special discounts when you're going to subscribe. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, a review on SentryPC. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.